Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
Cure your yeast infection naturally using a unique 5-step holistic system. 5 important facts about your Candida yeast infection. Fact number 1, there is an overload of conflicting information and often ineffective advice on how to treat yeast infections. Fact number 2, men, children, and babies suffer from yeast infections, not just women. Fact number 3, yeast infection symptoms vary from one person to another and often change as the Candida infection develops. Fact number 4, drugs, creams or probiotics cannot treat Candida infection. Fact number 5, Candida infection is not a myth but a serious condition that can cause great harm to your body if neglected. The yeast infection treatments most people are using don't work. 95% of all people who treat yeast infection end up worse than when they started. Because it's physiologically impossible to cure yeast infection the way most people are trying to do it. Introducing Yeast Infection No More System, the only holistic system in existence that will teach you how to permanently cure your yeast infection. Over 143,958 people worldwide have already used this system to successfully treat their Candida yeast infections. With Yeast Infection No More, you will be able to treat your Candida yeast infection quickly and naturally within 2 months. Gain complete relief in as little as 12 hours. Treat vaginal, male and oral yeast infections. Tackle digestive disorders and allergies. Treat fatigue and muscle aches. Tackle migraines, mood swings and brain fog. Treat skin-related yeast infections. Treat the rashes, burning, itching and discomfort. Regain lost energy and vitality. Save thousands of dollars on drugs and doctor visits. Improve the quality of your life dramatically. Be completely free from all types of yeast infections, without resorting to drugs. Without creams or lotions. Even if you have very severe Candida infection. Faster than you ever thought possible. Visit link in video description to download the complete Yeast Infection No More system now. Life is too short to try and cure yeast infection on your own through trial and error. Take charge over your yeast infection right now and follow this proven step-by-step system. Click link in video description to download the complete Yeast Infection No More system now.
Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.